everybody. It is Thursday, October 17th. Ooh, thought I was going to sneeze. And I'm just on my way up to class. But first of all, I have some stuff to take care of, and I thought I would bring y'all along, because one of the things that I have to do is I have to run by Smith's and pick up an online order. And the thing is, they used to have the curbside phone number printed on the printed on the sign at the curbside park pickup. And I'm also going to be swinging by the bank and seeing if I did get my new card, by the way, but I get I get paid from my grandmother every twice a month, and so that's how I get my income right now. I get about $150 a month. So that's what's up for now. See, when I was living in the dorms, all of my money that I spent was not on the college expenses, because I was qualified for DVR, New Mexico Division of Vocational Rehabilitation, and my college expenses were getting covered by them, and they still are. But I found that to be a wonderful program, and the money that I had, I walked into the dorms with $15,000, and I spent most of it on pretty much freedom, because I was too focused on free time rather than homework. And I had single occupancy in the dorms. We thought that would help out with my autism, but it turned out to be a bad idea. And because of that, I felt like I had to do everything on my own. But I wish I would have watched An American Girl, McKenna Shoots for the Stars a lot sooner, because that movie taught me a darn good lesson. Nothing wrong with needing a little help. That movie made me cry. And it was a good thing it made me cry too, because it taught me a really valuable lesson. I think I'll have a very interesting question of the week. That's going to be coming up later. But yeah, lately I've been looking at some more cars, and my main focus is for my grandmother to be on the budget of $5,000, and I found some pretty good cars that were even less than that. Heck, even less than $4,000. But my father told me to search for some Toyotas or Hondas, and I found some Toyota Camrys, Avalons, Corollas that were on sale for less than $5,000. And I also found a Honda Odyssey, which is a minivan, that was on sale for less than $5,000 as well. I mean, I really want a car that can tow up to less than 4,000 pounds dry weight, because then I can pull a little guy trailer if the need arises. So yes, I will be selling my 1994 Buick Roadmaster sometime in December. And when I do get my new car, one of the first things I'm going to do is I'm going to give you guys a car tour. Also, if you're a musician on Facebook and you're in the Socorro County or even Valencia County area, you should look on Facebook at The Spirited Soul, because I am currently looking for some band members for The Spirited Soul. I'm looking for violinists, guitarists, bass guitarists, drummers, and vocalists who can harmonize. And with the vocalists, I'm hoping to teach them how to do throat singing, because some of the songs that we'll be doing are going to be in Mongolian, and some of them are going to involve throat singing. And most of the songs that are in Mongolian come from the Hu, H-U, and Uhai, U-U-H-A-I. I'll put a link to both of their YouTube channels in the description down below, so you can check their music out. They were the ones that inspired me to create the genre of spirit rock. Now, If you're wondering what spirit rock is, it's essentially a combination of guitars, fiddles, and harmonic singing, and sometimes a little bit of throat singing. So it's a bit like symphonic metal, except you're adding a bit of Hunu rock into it. Hunu rock is what the Who does. So anybody that's interested, feel free to not on Christina Goode vlogs page, but on the Spirited Soul page. Feel free to message me with a video of your talent, and I'll see if you qualify. So I'm just coming up to Los Lunas. I'm wondering when they're going to get started with the new highway bypass. So yes, my first stop will be my banks to see if I have that $50, that additional $50 that I got paid yet. It's about that time of the month to where I should receive it, and hopefully some idiot doesn't hack into my account again. If it does happen again, I will know what to do. But I don't want to have to wait for another card to be shipped in the mail. He started to go even though the light was still red. Eager much? So that's what's up for now. By the way, glad to hear that Jules LeBlanc is back safely from Paris. I watched her Paris vlogs, and they were just absolutely incredible. She is an incredible person. I feel like there's more that I want to say, but I don't know what else to say right now. But yeah, instead of going out to an independent restaurant or a fast food place, I'm going to be going by the cafeteria up at UNM Valencia, and I'm going to get something over there because I have less than $4 to spend right now, and I got here before the school zone starts, which the school zone in Los Lunas starts at around 2 p.m. So I guess this vlog is going to be just a drive with me vlog, which I'm up for. So yeah, I'm just on Main Street, and I'm just on my way to my first bank to see if I got that $50, and if I did, I'm going to withdraw it, and I'm going to put it into my second bank because I'm using my first bank now only for gas purchases. I used to use my second bank for gas purchases, but I found that it draws money from my savings into my checking, and it ended up causing me to go over budget for whenever DVR gives me the gives me the gas money, their contribution for gas money. So we're gonna be using my first bank for that instead of my second bank. Once again, I just passed a railroad crossing, and I like to do that. And usually I like to avoid traffic up here at Main Street in between Don Pascal and Los Lentes, because, well, during the school zone, because traffic does tend to get pretty messed up during that time. That's usually why I like to be across the river before 2 p.m. I'm getting to my bank, so I'm gonna have to cut this. So I just finished up with my banks, and I'm happy to report that no suspicious activity was happened in my account. So now I'm just on my way over to the Y to take care of the pickup over at Smith's. Did I ever mention that I absolutely love using Smith's? And the fact that I am a rewards member with them just makes it that much easier. When you're a rewards member when you go to participating Smith's fuel stations, you can use your Smith's rewards card to get some kind of discount with the gas that you get over at the gas station. And they give you 3 options I don't remember what the first two options were, but I always go with the 3 cents off a gallon choice. And it just makes it that much easier. And I love Smith's for that, and also with the rewards program, when you get certain food, there are certain food items that you can get with the Smith's rewards card that you'll get a discount with when you buy that food item. So yeah, it's very rewarding, and absolutely love it. One of these days, I'm going to go to the ribs place and try it out and see what it's like. I'm thinking that I'm going to go there during one time during the spring semester, and just do there for lunch one time. I have a feeling I'm gonna like it. And I wonder what they're building over here that is right next to the Pizza Hut. Anybody familiar with the Y, and anybody who's familiar with what they're building, please leave a comment down below and tell me what it is that they're planning on building. I hope it's a Chick-fil-A or a Jack in the Box, because we don't have those in either of those here in Los Lunas. That would be really nice if we had either one of those, because we do have a Dion's. Oh, please don't tell me we're having another problem with this thing. Okay, well, it's priming fuel. So, I'm just about to use the Smith's pickup. They have Instacart over here at this parking spot. But yeah, they no longer have the phone number posted on the sign here, so I'm just gonna use the phone number that I saved on my contacts. Well, my grandmother was the one who could have possibly put the order in, and it's possible that she didn't put the order in. All right. Well, thank you very much for assisting me. All right. Well, thank you anyway. You too. Bye-bye. That was a real bust. It seems that my grandmother didn't put the order in. Oh well. Oops. Parking brake. Well, I got my class is at 4 p.m. and I have about an hour and a half until my class starts. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go straight over to the campus. I feel like there's another story that I'd like to tell you guys, but excuse me. I don't feel like there's another story that I'd like to tell you guys about. If I did, it would be an Amtrak story. Because yes, I have taken Amtrak before, and it was pretty relaxing. I'll tell you guys that story in another vlog. So, yeah, I'm gonna be going over to the campus, and I thought I'd talk a little bit along the way. So yesterday I uploaded it was week 4 vlog that I uploaded, and I had a pretty interesting answer to the question of the week, and he said that he would rather live in a house with family rather than live alone in an apartment. Me personally, I would go with his answer because I would not want to rent an apartment. For me, I would rather be in a house with family, and if I went on vacation, I would and I went with my family, I would rather rent a fully furnished cottage, like what they would have over at Chincoteague Island. Yes, I do watch Hotel Tours by Diesel Ducey, and I watch his Chincoteague vacation cottage rental tours, and all of them seem to be pretty good, actually. I think there was only one cottage where the floor plan just didn't really make any sense, where they had the bathroom only in the downstairs and the 2 bedrooms in the upstairs, and there was no bathroom in the upstairs, which I thought was like a foolish decision on their part, because the people would have to rush downstairs in order to go use the bathroom. Like, it would make sense if they had at least a half bath in the upstairs, where it's just a toilet and a sink, because the only bathroom had the shower bath combo in it, which actually makes sense for most people. because if you had a family with you, then your kids may not be comfortable with using the shower, and they would only be comfortable with using the bath, like a bathtub. Which is something that I did when I was, which is something that happened to me when I was a young kid. My mom would give me baths instead of showers, and it made sense because we were little, and she didn't want us to slip. Guys, it's only 45 through here. And so, yeah, that's my only pet peeve about that one cottage. So, I will also leave a link to Diesel Doocy's channel in the description down below, because Diesel Doocy is a real-life train engineer, and he also does elevators. And he, whenever he does visit Jacob from the Elevator channel, he does car wash collabs with him. And hopefully I'll get to meet Jacob from the Elevator channel and do a car wash vlog with him. Because he's a cool dude. I first started watching him back in 2011. So yeah, it was a pretty long time ago. And whenever Diesel Doocy, Andrew, does his hotel tours, many people like to watch the toilet flush in action, and so I started incorporating that in my hotel reviews, because there are some toilet fans out there. As disgusting as that sounds, that it is actually a real thing. And also, be sure to share these vlogs with your friends, because right now I'm getting like low views. And if you're ever a fan of Jules LeBlanc, be sure to send these videos over to Jules LeBlanc, because hopefully I'm hoping to gain some popularity from all over the entire U.S. And also because the LeBlancs were the ones that inspired me to create some weekly vlogs. And let me know if they're ever boring. Like, I don't think this one is really that boring, because I'm bringing you guys along on some runs. And when I do go shopping and in the future, I will be sure to bring you guys along in the future. So my uploading schedule is like last week I uploaded week 4, which today is, like I said, is October 17th. So it happened. So when I uploaded last week's vlog, it happened when I uploaded week 4, it happened last week. When I was creating this week's vlog, which is week 5, because I have to go up to the Valencia campus in order to upload these vlogs, because the internet at my home is not that good for uploading videos. So I'm just on Romero right now, and you guys, I'm just going to show you some examples of some houses that I would picture myself living in. Like that's one right there, because it's surrounded by a fence, and it's basically just right off of the like away from other houses, and it's just absolutely it's just perfect for me. Looks like they're redoing these speed bumps over here. So I'm actually just getting close to the campus. So and of course I cannot vlog on campus unless I get permission from the staff. So I will see you guys soon. So that's going to conclude this week's vlog. I tried to remember what the question of the week was going to be, but so I've got a new one for you guys. If you could travel to any foreign country, where would it be? Feel free, and don't forget to leave your answer for the question of the week in the in the comments down below. Let's roll that outro. So thank you guys very much for watching this. If you would like to explore a bit of New Mexico with me, feel free to contact me at goodyentertainment12@gmail.com. Subscribe to this channel. That really helps out a lot. And if you would like to see more content, be sure to check out the links in the description down below and find out which one is right for you. You can also follow us on our Facebook pages. Links are also down in the description down below. Don't forget to comment your answer for the question of the week. I will see you guys later. Bye.